So today we're going to talk about cutting around dot matrix. Now on some vehicles you can just simply put a light on the inside of the car and you'll be able to see nice and clear around the dot matrix for you to cut. Now on some vehicles like a saloon or a coupe, because the parcel shelves are lower and closer to the glass, sometimes it's hard to see the light that's shining through. So as an alternative, what you can use is white pinstriping tape. And what we do is we lay it around the dot matrix and then use it as a guide for our knife when cutting. So we just simply lay it across, pulling the release liner as we go, give yourself a lot of excess, and then that way you can lay it down flat. So now, as you can see, we've got a border now that we can cut along. Once we put a piece of tint over the top and have shrunk it to the curvature of the glass, we simply trim along the white tape and then remove the white tape and then shrink the last bits out.